Friends, in General Study Forum, we will discuss the recent advertisement by OPSC for the post of Assistant Section Officer or ASO in the State Secretariat. The application to be filled and submitted by online mode in the official website of OPSC, that is www.opsc.gov.in. The link for registration and payment will be active from 20th January 2022 and the registration and payment will be closed on 19th February 2022. But the last date for submission of registered online application is 25th February 2022. The total number of posts is 796, so this is a big opportunity for aspiring students. There are reservations for different categories, and again within each category there are different subcategories among whom the posts are divided or distributed. Now, what are the eligibility criteria? In the age criteria, the candidate must be 21 year old and below 32 years old as on first day of January 2021. There is age relaxation for some categories. Now, what is the educational qualification criteria? The candidate must possess a bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized university or equivalent qualification. Now, the examination fee is Rs 500, which is non-refundable and non-adjustable, and some candidates belonging to some categories are exempted from paying the examination fees. There are some other eligibility conditions, like he or she must be a citizen of India, he or she must be able to read, write and speak Odia fluently and have passed middle school exam or matric exam with Odia as medium or a language subject, or they have passed in Odia as language subject in final exam of class 7 or above, or passed a test in Odia in Middle English School standard conducted by School and Mass Education Department. Now, the most important thing is the method of selection. The exam will be conducted in two stages, and first is the written examination, which is objective type or MCQ based, and the second one is the skill test in computer, which is practical exam and it is qualifying in nature. I will discuss the detailed scheme and syllabus of the examination in this video. Before that, I want to say that only those candidates who have been shortlisted after the written test will be called for skill test in computer. The skill test in computer is a practical exam and the qualifying mark is 40%. The final ranking and merit list will be based on the marks secured in the written examination. Now, the detailed scheme and syllabus of the examination is I will discuss. There are 4 papers, paper 1, 2, 3 and 4. Out of this, the first 3 papers are written exam and the 4th paper is practical exam. Now, first the paper 1 is general awareness, which has 100 marks and there are 100 questions, each carrying 1 mark, and the time duration is 1 hour 30 minutes. Paper 2, it has 2 parts, A and B. Part A is reasoning and mental ability with 50 questions, each carrying 1 mark, so the total mark is 50 marks. And part B is mathematics of 10th standard, which has also 50 questions and is carrying 1 mark, so total is 50 mark. Now, so the paper 2 including part A and part B, the total duration is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now, the paper 3 is a language paper which has 2 parts, English and Odia. English will have 100 questions, each carrying 1 mark, and Odia will have 100 questions, each carrying 1 mark. So, the total question is 200 questions and 200 marks, and the time duration of this paper is 2 hours. Now, finally, the paper 4, which is the skill test in computer application, which is a practical exam carrying 5 questions and the total mark is 50 marks. The time duration is 1 hour, and this exam is only for those who are shortlisted in the written examination. Now, the detailed syllabus of each paper. Paper 1 first. The general awareness has the different parts like current national events, current international events, in history of British rules in India and freedom struggle, Indian constitution, salient features of world physical geography of India and Odisha, important aspects of governance, transparency and accountability, e-governance, role of civil services in democracy, Indian economy and issues relating to planning, growth, development and employment, poverty alleviation, resource mobilization and inflation, defense and Indian armed forces. Scientific inventions and use of science in everyday life, issues of environmental ecology, biodiversity and climate change, important national and international institutions, organizations and fora, their structure and mandate, etc. Now paper 2. Paper 2 is reasoning and mental ability, which comprises of verbal and non-verbal parts and mathematics. First is verbal part, which consists of number series, alphabet series, test of direction sense, coding, decoding, number ranking, arithmetic reasoning and problem of age calculation. Now the mathematics part consists of arithmetic, algebra, mensurations, which is 2D and 3D, statistics and probability. Now paper 3 comprises of English and Odia. English includes grammar, that is verb, preposition, adverb, subject, non-verb, verb, agreement, error correction, recognition, tenses, fill in the blanks with articles, vocabulary, synonyms, antonyms. English part also comprises of comprehension, sentence rearrangement. एबे ओडिया रे प्रथम व्याकरण रे क्रिया, भ्रम संशोधन, चिन्हट, काल, अतीत, वर्तमान, भविष्यत, भाषा ज्ञान परीक्षा, प्रतिशब्द, विपरीत अर्थबोधक शब्द, क्रिया विशेषण, कर्ता क्रिया संबंध, द्वितीय रे अनुच्छेद, तृतीय रे वाक्य पुनर्वास. In paper 4, which is practical skill test, computer application, that is Windows, MS Office, which includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, MS Access, uses of internet services. In all the papers except the practical paper, each question carry 1 mark. For every wrong answer, 0.25 marks shall be deducted. That means 1/4 of the mark, total mark, will be deducted for every wrong answer. Finally, just to remind, the last date for online registration and payment is 19th February 2022, but the online registered applications can be submitted till 25th February 2022. Friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and contact us in our mail ID for more updates. Thank you.